dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by these tones to warn you of the impending hazards. Tests are normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. On days with severe weather in the area, the test may be cancelled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and watches affecting the following counties. In the KDO 89 listening area, Madison, Illinois, Monroe, Illinois, St. Clair, Illinois, Franklin, Missouri, Jefferson, Missouri, Lincoln, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, Warren, Missouri, and St. Louis City. If your receiver is tone activated, it should be reset after this test. This concludes the test for this week. Thank you.
The forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area. For rest of today, mostly cloudy.
By the way,
The WI-100 does go off, guys.